Hello friends, today I will explain the topics such as sampling process and the sampling theorem. Before that, first you understand the need of a sampling process. So, in a pulse modulation system or a digital modulation system, the signal must be transmitted in the discrete time form. But the input signal, that is the message signal, can be analog in the nature. That is, it is nothing but the speech signal or a video signal. So this message signal is first converted into discrete time signal and it is done by using the sampling process. So the sampling process is needed. After that, I can explain the definition of a sampling theorem is as shown in my lecture notes. The process is used to convert the continuous time signal into discrete time signal is called as the sampling process. And for the sampling process, the sampling rate is chosen properly. The sampling process is as shown in figure. When the continuous time analog signal is applied at the input of a sampler, then sampler circuit produces the output as a discrete time signal. So then the requirements of a sampling process are nothing but first is the sampled signal should be represents the original signal faithfully, and second is we should be able to reconstruct the original signal from its sampled version. So the sampling process is the completed. After that I will go for the sampling theorem. But first you can understand the basic information related to sampling theorem. There are the two statements are consistent in the sampling theorem. The sampling theorem was introduced in the year of 1949 by the Shannons. Therefore, this theorem is also called as Shannon's sampling theorem. And the statements of a sampling theorem in time domain signals are as follows. So first statement is if finite energy signal x of t contains no frequency higher than the W hertz, then it is completely determined by specifying its values at the instant of a time and which are spaced by 1 by 2 W seconds apart. Then another statement is if a finite energy signal x of t contains no frequency component higher than the W hertz, then it may be completely recovered from its samples and which are spaced by 1 by 2 W seconds apart. So the sampling theorem is also completed, and in my today's lecture I will provide you the information related sampling process and sampling theorem. Thank you.